Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I hope you're not getting bored or tired of these, but I'm going to do the last one for today. The last one we just did was for a knife, and I just kind of drew a knife, the wooden panel part of the knife. You wouldn't want the edge of the knife handle to have these sharp, unengraved parts. So to avoid that, go up to Effects and Contour. Let's contour to the inside 1/4 of an inch. That's not enough because this thing is huge. Let's make it 2 inches. Your knife. My number lock must be unlocked. There we go. Now go up to Object, Break Contour Part. Now grab the center one. Don't move it up there, nudge it up there. If your nudge isn't working, nudge it back and give it about 3 inches. Nudge it up a couple of times. And then do our trick with the intersect tool and nudge it back down. This way your knife is going to have wood on the outside, but still have that shape and that texture on the inside. And there's more reasons for that. I think it would look better, and these parts wouldn't break off going around the corner. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.